This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Depress the safety catch and open the bonnet. The fuel filter is located at the front of the engine compartment. Place absorbent rags around the filter housing to catch any spilled fuel. Using a Torx bit, undo the screws and carefully prise up the filter cover. Remove the old seal from the filter cover. Lift the filter element from the housing. Be prepared for fuel spillage. Clean the filter housing, taking care not to leave any dirt or debris. Smear a little clean fuel onto the new filter element seal, then lower it into the housing. Locate the new rubber seal into the groove in the filter cover and lightly lubricate it with clean fuel. Press the filter cover firmly down into place, then refit and securely tighten the retaining screws. Remove the rags from around the housing. Start and run the engine at idle, then check around the fuel filter for fuel leaks. Note that it may take a few seconds of cranking before the engine starts. Firmly lower the bonnet to engage the catch, then check it's securely closed.